Although I had all these people surrounding me with love, I felt alone.
A lot of anxieties. A lot of anxieties.
I did have colon cancer, but that's almost besides the point now.
People are extremely vulnerable when they finish cancer treatment, and those patients are really just floating out there, trying to recover, trying to access resources without any guide. So at UCSF we have a survivorship program.
You don't have to travel this road alone. They are there to walk you through it all.
I would consider it an essential part of my recovery.
This is the right way to treat patients, and I'm not going to give up until every single patient with a cancer diagnosis has access to this program.
UCSF Health.